Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to slow down your clip using Canva. Let's begin. In any Canva project of your choice, just upload a video, click and drag the video of your choice. As I want to use this video as my background, I'll select it as my background. You can see the choice here. Now, on the bottom panel, next to notes and timer, you'll see something called as duration. Click on it as it will make your editing much easier. Now scroll down to the section to which you want to slow down. I want to slow down from this section, so I will split it. Again, split. Now just click on the portion you want to slow down. And on the top menu bar, you will see some options such as edit video, crop, playback. Click on playback. And now you will be greeted with many options such as video speed, play on repeat, play automatically. If you increase the speed, your video will move much more faster. And if you decrease it, your video will move slower. It is up to you if you want to slow down or fast forward your video. One is the normal playback, above one is fast forward, and below one is slowing down. Well, that's it for the video guys. For more informational content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.